Good morning, Internet. I'm at Netherlands, Amsterdam, Netherlands, and it's raining and it's cold. How am I gonna explore this place with this kind of weather? And it's gonna be like this for the whole weekend. I'm booked 3 days, 3 nights here, 3 days. What am I gonna do here if it's raining like this? The weather went so bad. I think I'm just gonna explore this place, make some videos, and I wanna go to that spot where they do movies and stuff. It's definitely not this one. And I wanna ride a bicycle. But how can I do that when it's raining like this? Look at this canals. This is what Amsterdam's all about, these canals. I always see them on videos and movies and whatnot. But it's raining. Look. And I'm not gonna let that weather distract me from making great films, videos and vlogs and pictures. I'm just gonna walk here. Don't know what I'm doing, don't know where I'm going, don't have any plans, but I'm still gonna do it anyways. Probably go to Starbucks, transfer my videos, wait for this weather to stop to get better, but most likely not. Here we go. Netherlands. Plenty of bikes. Look at those houses, they're beautiful, hey. Well, I guess I need to put on my raincoat because it's cold. Okay, I want to do a walking tour of how the Netherlands, Amsterdam looks like. I'm just gonna find a place where I can put my raincoat on because this is gonna be for the whole time that I will be here. It's gonna be raining, and I'm thinking I should just change my shoes, buy new shoes. Besides, this is a little broken and heavily used. Use it for hiking, even though it's not a hiking shoe. So might as well just get a new one here in the Netherlands. So much cars, so much bike. Okay, it's getting really cold. This wind is super strong. They have a lot of canals here. I don't know where I'm going to. I want to go to that spot where they make movies and stuff. I'll have to check that out. But here I want to show you how the Netherlands looks like. Holland, as they call it. Those two ladies are bullies. It's Spaniard is a bully. Surely it's not like me. Okay. I'm just gonna walk straight and see where it takes me. But I just need a spot where I can take out my raincoat and put it on. I'm all stuck here. They probably wouldn't mind. I just need to swap equipment for me. Okay, probably have to put that on. Headphones as well. The ceiling is so beautiful. So is the floor. Somebody's taking a photo there. I think there's this drip tour. So funny. I think these guys are Spanish people having a tour. Where's that boat? Charging bull. Alright, look at that charging bull. I hope this microphone survives in this handle. This tripod works with this frame. Otherwise it will break on you. Okay, look at this. This weather is not making me stop exploring Amsterdam. So I'm just here at this charging bull. It's one of the tourist spots. Like obviously it's no one here but me because it's raining. But this is a Europe tour. Oh, look at that, those people behind me there. And at the same time, I don't know what this building is. That's like a church. There's a restaurant right underneath it. So yeah, this is a charging bull, you guys. This is one of the first spots when you go to Amsterdam. I'm gonna read what this charging bull is all about. There's like a stock exchange here. And you see those stickers from different companies. Oh, nice. Wins and losses. Wins are positive, reds are negatives. Oh wow, you're nice. You're very fine. So let me see the opposite. That's why you have a charging bull. That makes sense. Bullish. Oh, just like Chicago. Alright. Okay. There you go. So we're done here. Yeah, I think that charging bull is for bullish market, you know, in the exchange. I work at the exchange in Australia, so I have a little bit of idea about it. Anyways, I'm going to the next spot. Make the most of my day even if it's raining. I just need to put my raincoat actually so I'd feel more comfortable not getting my equipments wet. So off to my next destination. Look at this. Amsterdam. Netherlands or Holland. My shoes is getting wet. I hope I can find a place where I can buy a new shoe. Get one of those dry shoes. Christmas time. You see all these decorations here at shopping malls. Christmas trees, Christmas lights, and lanterns and stuff. Go. It's raining. I have an umbrella. I can't see that attraction there behind me. Spit it down a little bit. Oh no. Okay. Got that. So, this is Amsterdam. So look at this garbage is here. This is Amsterdam. What's that? Fancy garbage is all over the place. I want to go to a Van Gogh museum, but this is a Van Gogh museum. But I'm just interested with the Van Gogh museum. Like that here.
Alrighty. Mic's on? Let me not even adjust my own saddle?
Yes, it was before. Oh, look at it. It's so crazy. Oh, look at this guy. Is there a bird on his head? I think Heineken is actually made here in Amsterdam. Yeah, right. So, who is you, sir? Nice. What tours? That's a hard to know. Looks like a gate or something. Raining. Such a bad weather here in the Netherlands, Amsterdam. But still a lot of people. And it's not too much what they're saying. This is the Central Station. I was just there last night. Of course I can't see what's in there, but look how beautiful that structure is. It looks so grand. I'm gonna hop onto those, one of those boat cruises. One just left, so I'm gonna hop on one of those. Oh, that blue one. Looks nice. This is the front. Show you guys, I was just here last night. Central Station is so beautiful. Oh, this is the place where you can take snap a photo. It's so beautiful. Goodness. Right, Central Station. I'm gonna take a photo here. I was gonna show my face as well. That's what it is there. So this is how the Netherlands looks like. We don't have the best of the weather, but this is how it looks like. So I think it's usually like this here, raining during the season. It's almost winter, so it's gonna rain a lot. Guys, look at this. That's the Central Station here. cool. It's the Grand Station here. I'm gonna put down my umbrella. 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Look at that. Hey there, internet. So, I'm friggin' soaking wet. Sis went to this central station here in Amsterdam. My shoes are so wet. My bag is wet. I'm so wet. Hate it when my shoes are wet, actually. But that guy left. He probably didn't like me talking. But he probably didn't want to be filmed or something. But yeah, I'm just gonna put my. I'll try to look for that river cruise. I really want to try river cruise here in Amsterdam. It looks awesome. And I really want to go to that Van Gogh museum. I had enough of that museum because I had a lot in France and Italy. Then go to Spain. But I think it's Portugal as well. Went to that museum. Or Salzburg in Austria. I don't like museums, but Van Gogh did. He's pretty popular. It's like Leonardo da Vinci. So what? Not the best of the weather this season. During this season, and yeah, I'll try to figure out how to get a ticket to the Van Gogh Museum. Next ticket is December. It's fully booked. That's how popular it is. Anyways, I'm gonna rest a little bit, explore again at about 1 o'clock, and put my raincoat on. Raincoat is going to be really, really useful here. So, looks like this spot. This is beautiful. Look at all these trees. Oh, the veterans like his own big spaces. I love the one they went over. Yeah, it's nice ones. So hey guys, this is the Seven Bridges. Can't even see the bridge, but this is an iconic spot.